Willis, I'm learning skillful jobs, career, something that you can take along with you, a trade. That's why I'm here at Willis. And they have that to offer in different departments. Right now, I'm learning how to paint. I feel good about it because like some guys I've talked to, you know, they have stepped up in different positions. They might have started at this position and now here they're learning different skillful things. You have opportunities to move up, to step up, you know, in different fields. They have the full package. I mean, child care, health care. They offer vacation, all. I mean, Willis offers it all. Definitely the trial employment has saved my life. Life in general, like I have a family, kids. It's very supportive. Working with Willis, I see a future. It helps you stay focused, pay attention more, and it gives you open mind opportunities in your mind. So it's been very helpful in different ways for us looking at a future. And actually gave me a starting position in life, something I never had. Gave me an opportunity for a second chance, and they did it.